welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button below, and if you're a regular, then you know what's good. Today I wanted to bring you guys a video of a supermodel no makeup look. In all honesty, anybody could do this makeup. It's just everyday glowy kind of face feel, you know, when you're on a run or you just woke up and you're like, I don't feel like beating this face, so let me just freshen up a little bit. A lot of the models in the industry do this on the way to castings or on the way to jobs, just so we look a little more awakened, because the long hours we work sometimes are not fun. It's a lot of bare freshness, bare face freshness. And don't mind the hair that I'm wearing right now because my wig is not laid, so I had to throw on a bandana. And then I started thinking, well, we're just gonna throw in some Bella Hadid Miami vibes because this is as close as a vibe I can bring to y'all. So if you would like to see how to do your makeup like a supermodel, then keep watching. So basically, your first step, your number one tip is to moisturize, honey. Is to moisturize. Hydrate that skin, get it ready and glowy for your day. What I like to go in with is the Thayer's, I believe it's Thayer's, their facial mist with witch hazel and rose water in it, and I think it has an aloe vera formula as well. I like to do in the mornings when I wake up, especially like now since I just rolled out fresh out the bed. Fresh out the bed. And just let that sit in. It smells amazing. After I let that sit a little bit, I don't let it dry completely because it helps with the next step. I take just some regular Eucerin and put that on my face. If I'm feeling a little bit of an extra glow or I just look very dead and tired, I'll go in with L'Oreal's Gloomy Lotion. When I first bought this, I thought it was a highlight, like a liquid highlight, and I was wrong. Okay, I was very wrong. What the skin looks like once I'm done prepping. Next step. All right, so my next step is going to be the brows. I keep them very simple just because I'm thinking of this look being like, it's either every day or if I'm going to a casting, which is still like an everyday makeup look. I don't do heavy brows like I would do on a full beat. Just take any dark brown shade, the shade that matches your brows the most, and go in and just darken them a little bit. Alright, so the next key step is I take Anastasia's clear brow gel, and I think this is the best brow gel I've ever used. So just to blend it, since you didn't really do a strong brow. Another hack is to get soap. I'm pretty sure everybody knows this already, but I just found out about this through a makeup artist I worked with. You get soap, get a spoolie like this, and just keep rubbing until all the little like soap powder comes up. Keep rubbing, and then you brush it onto your brows and it makes them stay like this. I did not know that, and I feel like I was the last person on the planet to know that. So after that step, I just take any of your favorite mascara. My favorite right now is the Go Big or Go Home mascara by Kat Von D. I only put it on my top lashes because that's just like a personal thing, because every time I put it on my lower lashes, I end up at the end of the day looking like a raccoon, and I just can't help it. You want to look more awake and a little refreshed, even more than all this lotion and glow we got going on. So I take L'Oreal's True Match blush. Alright, and a personal favorite of mine is just to take eyeliner and darken my beauty marks. If you don't have any, you're still beautiful. I just like to go in and emphasize them a little more. And then after that, you want to highlight, because you know these girls be looking like they just came out the Drippin' Goddess Falls of highlight. I take this Laura Mercier, it's like a cream eyeshadow, but it's like in this gold shimmer color. So I put that in my inner corners. That's another hack. This is an eyeshadow, but sis, what I see is an inner highlight applicator. Next step after highlighting, well, your inner corners. I take my Profusion Pro Face palette that I got on sale at TJ Maxx for like $3, and I don't regret that $3 because I got a pretty good contour out of it. And I just do a little bit on the cheeks and a little bit on the nose part. Blend that. And we're gonna take Fenty Beauty's Honey, well, which one is this? No, Mean Money and Hustler Baby highlight, and I'm gonna go in with both of them and add some more highlight. And last but not least, I take some of that good old Vaseline. I honestly use any lip gloss. Well, I tend not to use lip gloss. I honestly just go in with Carmex, Chapstick, Blistex, the good old Vaseline. So this is the finished final product of the look. You know, anybody that's watching this, to you, this goes out to you, that you're gorgeous, you're beautiful, you're cute, you're all of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me transform from this to this. Leave a comment, subscribe, you know, join the fam. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.